Ya, nimeweza kulegeza bunduki zangu kama vile niliambiwa jana, na nimeleta bunduki zangu, na pia leo wameconfirm, wameita security wangu Nairobi, amekuwa withdrawn. So kwa sasa sina silaha yoyote ya kuweza kujikinga, na wamechukua driver security wangu ambaye tulikuwa nimepewa kutoka AP, ameambiwa ripoti by saa 8 report Nairobi. So kwa sasa I'm naked, niko namna hiyo mnaniona, lakini you are my security. The people are my security. So I'm staying with the people. I have never even used that gun for anything or anywhere. So it is not very important even to have it. First security is God. Ati mimi nilisungumuza, nilisema Deputy President alifukuzwa, alitolewa vitu nyumba yake Mombasa. But this was in the paper and it has been in the people all the time. So it is not an offense. It is witch hunting. Witch hunting. Now I beg Kenyans and I beg our president, the way these things are going, it's going to divide Kenyans in a very bad way. It's not good. Because when we start witch hunting, for something which has been in the paper, for me to comment only, it has been an issue, I think it's not good. And it's not fair. But I want to tell you, I'm also happy with this department, DCI here. They are very good. They are very friendly. They are very good. They listen. They have approached me in a very good way. And I hope even the others, that's how we should do. If you are MP and you are respected, if you are called, you need to come. If you are asked to return your bunduki, you should do it in a good way, so that this commotion isikuwe iko, kwa sababu baadaye inakuja kuharibu. So for now, I'm like that. I'm just finishing something in the Jomo Kenyatta, then I'm going Nairobi. And I hope you are going to be with me. Forever I'm going, munimulike, munisaidie, na mchunguze ni kitu gani hii inaendelea. And it is all over the Kenya. It's not only me, it is many people. And now it's dividing people. Now BBI came to put people together. But I'm shocked. Is it putting people together? Or it's dividing people together? It's dividing people. We should be friendly when we are going for BBI. Nobody have refused the BBI. We have said we are okay. And we had agreed. The BBI, which was launched by the president in Nairobi, we are ready. We have no problem and we are supporting it. And we are going to show BBI, even as to say, that is the way. It has many things which are good. Lakini hatutaki BBI ile ukora, tunataka ile ilikuwa launched. Na tunataka mkuwe na document muso. The way the president is saying. Lakini isi divide sisi. Na ninaomba mkuwe pia na amani, msiingie kwa shida nyingi. Tusifurugane, kama sasa mimi nimemaliza, muwe peaceful. Even our student university nimesikia hapa, they are listening nini. Be calm. Calm down. There is no problem. These things comes and go. Maybe they will call me tomorrow, as they had done before with my driver, with my security. Why you withdraw, baadaye wakaja wakaniitia. That's going to happen because there is no offense at all. No offense. The way forward, maybe tujaribu sana, Mungu atusaidie, tukue na maombi na tukue tukishirikiana sana na tuache hii mambo ya siasa mingi. I've seen Jenga Mungai, those people, you must be careful with Achilles statement. Anapewa nafasi kubwa sana kwa Kameme, kwa kunitukana, kwa kutukana watu wengine. Those things are not helping. And also saying Deputy President is a thief, ameiba sijui bilioni ngapi, tujui amefanya nini. If they have that evidence, they should go in the court. And just kwa DCI waende wa report hiyo maneno. Lakini kufuruga wananchi hapa kusema huyu ni mwizi, huyu ni nini, ameiba hii, they have been paid. And that is not good to fanya mna hiyo. Left Valley, the end of the day we are together. And I'm protected because the last time I lost 14 of my relatives. That's why I stand with Left Valley. I don't want that thing to be repeated again. I don't want that to come back again. And I'm saying, mtu yote iko hapa akiwa Mjaluo ni wa hapa. Muluya wa hapa ni wa hapa. Mumasai wa hapa ni wa hapa. Mkikuyu wa hapa ni wa hapa. We did not apply to be in Nakuru County or Rift Valley. So let's all of us work together. Na msikubali mtego ya ukabila. Mtego ya ukabila ndio silaha kubwa hapa kwetu nchi. Na silaha ingine ni ya wivu. People are so jealous to other people. Na hiyo ilileta shida pia kwa Kain and Habili. Mnajua vile walienda kwa Bible. Let's be friendly, all of us. This county is bigger than us. Kenya is bigger than us. And everybody anakula jioni.